How to save YouTube video in gallery. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube. Click on your profile located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on View Channel at the top. After you click on View Channel, you will find all your videos pop up. At the top of your video, you will find three dots at the right side. Simply click on three dots at the right side of your video. You will find Save to Device option. Click on Save to Device and then open Gallery. You will find the video in your gallery. But if you want to save video of other people, you can simply open YouTube. After you open YouTube, simply search the video. In my case, I want to download this video. You'll find download option at the bottom besides share and save. Click on download. This will be downloaded only in YouTube and you can watch offline as well, but you won't be able to save other people's video on your gallery. And this is how to save YouTube video in gallery. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.